Why are you crying?
I'll never see Taggy when I'm 18.
You'll never see Taggy when you're 18?
I'll never see Taggy when I'm a big kid.
It's okay. You can still have Taggy when you're a big kid.
I won't fit.
It won't fit? Why won't it fit?
It won't go to my feet.
It won't go. It doesn't go to your feet now, does it?
That does.
Oh. It'll be okay. Why are you crying? You can still have Taggy. It's okay.
I won't even care about it like when I'm a big kid. I'll just leave it in the bed.
You'll sleep him in
I'm
the
not
bed?
even taking place, and I'll just leave it there.
Oh, you just have to leave him because you're a big kid.
And I'm more weeks, and I won't even run out. Put in the flat.
Why are you going to throw him in the trash?
I don't want to do that. I won't want Taggy when I'm a big kid.
Why won't you like Taggy when you're a big kid? You like him now.
Because it won't fit.
He won't fit, so you won't like him?
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
I wish it was wrong.
I know. It's okay.